My name is Adrian Robles, and I'm a current student at West Coast University and president of our local West Coast University Men in Nursing chapter. I wanted to take a few moments to share with you exciting news we have planned for our local Men in Nursing chapter here at West Coast University, Ontario. Our mission is to inspire, educate, and provide men of all ages and backgrounds a supportive and collaborative environment that advances their lives and careers as they honor their calling to become nurses and leaders in healthcare. Over the course of the next year, we hope to collaborate with both Boy Scouts of America, attend the American Association for Men in Nursing Conference in Milwaukee, and present a workshop at the Adelante Youth Alliance Men's Conference in Pasadena, California. I highly encourage the rest of our West Coast University campuses to start their own Men in Nursing chapters. I'm here to assist you as a peer and as the membership chair for the West Region of American Association for Men in Nursing. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly. I'll leave my contact information with your campus leadership team. I wish you all the best on your nursing school endeavors, and I hope you consider forming a Men in Nursing chapter at your campus.